Okay, so I always tell people that every day comes with a new energy, a new everything. Bible says that we are being renewed every morning. It should tell you that when you went into your bed, the Spirit of the Lord was there to grant you the necessary energy to wake up the next morning. Now, for this reason, you must act smart, because during the day we all have 24 hours, but it is only those who are smart enough that can make hay during the sunny days. You must understand this. In the corridors of Africa, we perceive people who are able to cheat their fellows in all aspects of human existence, through relationship, our finances, whatever. Such individuals are termed as smart people if they are able to lie, and lie so well to an extent where they are not being caught. This is where those people are being perceived to be smart individuals in the society. But you see, my way or my own definition for smartness is not about people who can cheat their fellow, but it's about people who can utilize their brains to the fullness in synthesizing complex issues to arrive at a solution in bettering the life of the individual in the society. So once you're able to put your brains to effect to arrive at a solution in helping to better the life of your fellow human in terms of finances, in terms of agriculture, physical, spiritual, emotional, legally, medically, every aspect that connotes to the well-being of humanity. This is what I mean smartness. For this reason, I am urging you that from today onwards, you must be smart in life. Once you are smart, you'll survive. Once you're smart, you'll be sustained. Once you're smart, you'll go far in life. Once you're smart, there's nothing that you can't do unless you don't give yourself that merit. So stay smart in all your endeavors, and I believe that you go far in life. Bible can say me sure. Bible say kodaye no yedai se ofuo ade achie na urade honhom kura yimu. E kire se abere onipa koda bia no onyame siesie na ho odin de manipa. Eni ti sa ade atwemi ye nyina ye wo donhwere aduonu nan se de obroni beka 24 hours no. Enu ti so 24 hours ya na se donhwere aduonu nan se betimi asiw yi a ade se wadwene no eye adwuma ade se wo yo bi a wo sutie na wadwene no emu da ho na wasi nkiti wa abrabom se obema wadwene no aye adwuma na mpre bebre no ewo abibifuo ye ne nsum ya na free se obi a na adwene ye adwuma na adwene mu da ho na ono de bia no otimi ti bibia so nkunim no aye obi a otimi achiti ni nia na so otimi sisi ni nia obi se obi akra one oba na ti no osisi oba no one bema na ti no osisi bema no ewo adwuma mu bibiam sikasemu emram se obi timi de na adwene sisi ni yonko ya na bibifo no ya adwene ye se sa nipa no onim ti ana onim nyansa na adwene mu atie ne na adwene no eye kasese ne nia nanso so ewo memehwehwe mu no mahunu se eno enye obi a na adwene mu da ho ana obi a sabi owonim die esere ni nia na emum eye musudi a emfa ni munyam emre nipa na emom die minim se obi a sabi na adwene mu da ho na onim nyansa no eye obi a otimiti na adwene etoatoa akeka bom na sabi ope asem bis epomasibre na sa apomasibre na wapɛ no etimi boa na onipa edinya enyinaso ɛwɔ ye montene so ye fie mu ene ye nkura ye tim ɛma onipa bia sɛ ne pomasibre na wasi ni anagina ye na wasi wa abrabom no so obi ɛfa na odi kura ɛwɔ abrabom a etimi boa nipa no ene timi ba bɛka kyerɛ sɛ abrabom na ye bɔ no ye make sure sɛ anase ye nsin ketani ye hunu sɛ ye timi di adwena ye bibi a ebetimi aboa no ebetimi aboa enchirima ana ebetimi aboa wona ebeyen ewo ade nyina mu ene me ka kyerɛ sɛ onyame onhyira wo ontre wa him ɔmani nsiw yie ade bia bia nyame hyira wo bebrebe sinkete na ma wani nna hɔ na ma wadwene mu nte na menim sɛ wobɛkɔ wanim ewo ade nyina mu